Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today's video installing LED lights in the bedroom. So this is the smart LED strip light that my daughter Madeline got for Christmas, and she needs help putting it in her room. So let's see what we've got. Receiver box with 4 connecting cords. Our black power supply and cord. Going back to our receiver, attached are 4 female cords. 4 LED strip lights, 16.4 feet, and our remote control. Our user manual and extra connectors. Membership and guarantee card. And some giveaway prizes and discount codes. And just to let you know, if you find my video interesting and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Notice each end of the light strip has a male and female connection. Also pay attention to these arrows, very important when you connect them together. Notice the white arrows again on our white receiver connection. And when you connect this to the black cable, make sure the 2 arrows point and line up to each other.
Okay, go. Okay, make sure the arrow, let me see the arrow. Arrow meets with the arrow. Okay, that's good. Now do it to the next one. The other ones too, yeah, all of them, because we're going to test it out to make sure that the lights work properly, right? Make sure arrow meets out. Let me show it. Show the video. Arrow meets with the arrow. Okay, next one. Arrow meets the arrow. Okay, good. Okay, things are a little bit bent, so I gotta straighten it out.
Well, thank goodness she has strong, fake nails.
Sure it's straight.
It ain't straightening it out.
Okay, now bend it, arrow to the arrow. There you go. Next one. Arrow meets to the arrow. Good. Put an outlet. Put it in. Okay. Now let's see. Is it working? Are all 4 of them working? You got 2. You only got 1 that's working. What's up with that? Okay. Alright, so let's try this one. Working, so let's do this again. Look for the arrow. Must match the other arrow. See this? Arrow to arrow. Now.
Killer, you're in the way. Like this?
Okay, arrow must meet each other. Okay, yeah, put it in. There we go. Okay, that's 1. Okay,
let's go to the next one.
Pull it out again. Make sure arrow meets the arrow. There we go. That's 1. The other one. Next one. I need to show the video.
Yeah, hold on.
Arrow meets the arrow. There we go.
Gang.
Yay!
Yes, she did it.
Use the control. Okay. Okay, right, good, that's good. Boom.
And so we measured the dimensions of the room and figured out we only needed 3 strands of LED lighting.
Okay, so let's set one here. We'll plug it all together from 1 string. So now it does work. It's all together in 1 string. All right.
And so, we peel away the red adhesive protection about 2 feet at a time. And also, don't forget to wipe down the walls for any dirt and debris. This way, the LED strips will stick to the wall much better.
Going to put it in here.
We're going to start off from one corner and go up. And we'll tuck it behind the desk so we can hide our power cord and give it a cleaner look.
Power. Okay, I'll take the thing out. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to put it right there in a corner. Can we see that? Get it a little tighter. There we go, right there. I'm going to put it right against the wall.
No,
Right
closer, closer.
Right there.
Oh, closer.
Can you get in there? The video in there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And we'll work our way up about 2 feet at a time. This way, it'll prevent from getting tangled and start sticking to one another. And as we get to the top, we'll make a slight bend to the left, making sure not to pinch or break the strip. Also, it's better to stick on the wall and not on the ceiling, because sticking it on the ceiling will give you 4 difficult corners to bend. Therefore, sticking it to the walls is much easier.
See it? Yeah, good. Make sure.
Yeah, they are.
Arrows to arrows.
Is that
So
good?
it looks like it's continued.
Is that good?
Does it look like it's continued? Yeah, we can tuck it. We can hide it another time. Make sure it's up to the ceiling a little bit. You know, you're getting a little bit further from the ceiling.
Yeah, I know.
You're getting kind of crooked.
Okay, almost done. Just finishing up. Alright then, it's time to plug all the power on and see what we got. Very nice. Awesome colors. Now we'll use the remote to test out the colors.
That's on. Now let's go with the let's play around with this one here. Now let's go. Let's show your fingers. Okay. Now press the yellow. Press the yellow. Okay, press the blue. Blue. Press the other color. Okay, press the other color slowly. It's going out of focus. Go ahead. Green. Okay. Yeah. Off, auto, on, mode, party mode. The sun will make it go brighter. The lower sun can make it go slower. The speed plus, making the speed of the light go faster. Speed minus, make the speed of the light go slower. There's the color of the red, color of the green, color blue. There's the other colors here. And then you got music 1, music 2. This goes to the beat of the music. We're gonna put we're gonna put a quick beat. We're gonna put a song right now, music right now, and we'll watch the light as it goes on. Nice.
So if you liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video.
Nice. Okay, now check 1, check 2, check 1, check 2. DJ Jonah in the house.